Hi guys. At this point, you should have watched the video. Hi everybody. Today we're going to derive the volume formulas for a pyramid and a cone. And if you have not watched the video, you need to do that right now so that this will make sense. Okay, so how do the area of the bases compare between the prism or cylinder and the corresponding pyramid or cone? So you had three pairs of solids there. You should have noticed that the area of the bases were equal. That's really important. Also, the heights were equal. Okay, so now we know the volume of a prism is area of the base times the height. Okay, well, the pyramid is going to have area of the base and the height. So what was the only thing that changed between the prism and the corresponding pyramid? Well, it was number 3. How many pyramids or cones did it take to fill the corresponding prism/cylinder? 3. What is the volume for any pyramid then? So it's going to have the base times the height in it. But what's the only difference? Well, it took 3, so it would be 1/3 of the volume of the corresponding prism. So the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 of the corresponding prism. So same base, same height. Okay, so now we're going to rewrite that for all of these special pyramids. So a rectangle area is little base, little height. So 1/3, little b, little h, and then we have capital H. So the little b, little h is the capital B. Rewrite the formula for a triangular pyramid. So triangle area is 1/2 base times height. So there it is. How about trapezoidal pyramid? So trapezoid, whoops, there's the 1/3. Okay, so 1/3, I don't know why I'm writing 1/2. 1/3, okay, now write the trapezoid formula. 1/2 h, b1 plus b2. And then don't forget the capital H. Lots of things that students forget, the 1/3 or the capital H. So take your time. Okay, regular polygon pyramid. So there's the 1/3. Okay, now 1/2 SAN. Remember, S is the length of the side, A is the apothem, N is the number of sides, capital H is the height. Remember, height is the perpendicular distance between the base and the apex. So you'll see some examples in just a minute. And then what is the formula for volume of a cone? So the base is a circle, 1/3 pi r squared capital H. Okay, we'll do 4 examples here. So find the volume of each figure, round the answers to the nearest hundredth if necessary. So this first one is a rectangular pyramid. Right now, if it was a prism, you get rid of the 1/3, but it's a pyramid. So it's 1/3 length times width times height, or base times height times height. Okay, so the little b could be 5. The little h is perpendicular to the 5, so that's 2. And then the big H is 3. All of these, everything is explicitly given, but at your level, you should be able to use Pythagorean theorem if necessary, trig if necessary. So 1/3 times 5 times 2 times 3 is 10 cubic miles. Number 2. This is a regular pentagonal pyramid. So 1/3 big B, big H, but the big B turns into 1/2 SANH. So the S, length of the side, is 8 yards. A, apothem, 5.5. Number of sides, it's a pentagon, 5. Capital H is 12. Okay, again, lots of places here where you could be given different pieces of information. If it was a regular hexagon, you should know how to get the apothem using the 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. All right, put this in the calculator. It's all multiplication. .440 cubic yards. Okay, I would pause the video here and try these if you haven't already done so. All right, so this is a triangular pyramid. Okay, here's the base. It's a right triangle. So volume equals, so 1/3, 1/2, little b, little h, h. 1/3, 1/2, little b is 3, little h is 4, and big H will be 4. That 5 is not needed. So 1/3 times 1/2 times 3 times 4 times 4. 8 cubic yards. And then the last one here, this cone. So volume equals, well, 1/3 big B, big H, but big B is pi r squared. R is 4, height is 8. Oops, just typing it in the calculator, and you will get 134.04 cubic inches. Very good. So there you have it. So go ahead and do the practice problems and have a good day.